John Peck digs in. First pitch is at the knees. A called and cloudy. The 0-1. Down and away for a ball at 93. Righty comes set. And the 1-1. That's top of the Chang sets from the belt and kicks home the pitch. That's off the plate outside. As he readies home, 2-2. Bounced over his head. Here the second base back, scooped by Toledo, throws from in front of it, and Peck is put away 4-3. One out, base is clear. Righty Dom Johnson scored just one to Forrester, who makes the shoestring catch on the glove. Pitch is fouled straight back behind home for strike. They're armored today for him under his jersey. 0-1's pushed up in the air, shallow right. McGuire, full head of steam on the run and makes the grab. It's a 1-2-3, top of the first for Hung. First up, first pitch, the righty Eduardo Valencia. Is a check swing down. Check readies and kicks 1-0. Down and away, it's 92, it's 2-0. That's low and in for ball. 7 strikeouts, 3-0. And it's pretty good, 3-1. Valencia pops it foul. It's a twist out of play off the right side. 3-2. Swing and a miss for strike 3. Just where's the offense going to come from? As Brett Callahan swings and tips the first pitch in the glove. The 0-1. And that's smacked foul down the right field line out of play. Where is the offense going to come from? 0-2's down and in. Might see some new faces too. 1-2 and Callahan strikes out swinging Chang. Ready matchup. Opening pitch is pushed foul deep down the right field. The 0-1. Fastball right there, thigh high, 90 damage off of him. 0-2. Breaking ball, slap foul again. 0-2. Foul straight back. 0-2 again. Check swing. And he went around for strike 3. Hong Long Chang strikes out the side. And the top of the righty catcher digs in. First pitch from Hung Long Chang rides down and in for ball 1 at 90. Outs there are. 1-0. Check swing down and away. 2-0. And that's pushed up in the air. Deep down from the belt. The 2-1. Foul straight back. 2-2. And that's protected foul. 2-2. High and in. 3-2. That's fouled off the right side out of play. No one's gotten 7. 3-2. Swing and a miss. Ball in the dirt. Chang kicks home. First pitch is fouled off the left side out of play. The 0-1. That's fouled off at 12-6 this week. 0-2. And that one slipped out of hand high. It's great this week for Greensboro. 1-2, that's clubbed up in the air, deep right field. McGuire heads back, he's at the track, stops and makes the catch. Gonzalez just scored in top of the third, opening pitch. And Smith laces it. Here's the 0-1. Smith tips into the glove for strike 2. 0-2. Rolled foul first base for his 5th K. 0-2. Down and in. And the 1-2 again. Loaded in the air, right center, shallow. Polanco now wanders over and has it for the last down. 9 up, 9 down for Hung Long. He's done a great job to work around traffic as John Peck laces the first pitch in the right center field. Base knock. It's cut off by McGuire in right field. And that is the shoestring catch. Bunch shown it's tapped in front of home plate, but it might have hit him. They say it's in the box though. The 0-1. Down and in for a ball, and Peck was 1-1. It's fouled straight back as Peck. 1-2. It's popped in the air, foul behind him out of play. 1-2, runner in motion, swing and a miss, throw to second base. It's late. And they're going to call Nickens the first baseman. Righty matchup. First pitch is whistled back to the screen. Temperature mid-80s. One's outside. 1-1. Fastball low at 92 for Tampa before the end of the year in Daytona. 2-1 is hit well the opposite way to right field. McGuire turning back, and it's high off the wall. Karam's right back to him. Good throw to second base. No, they didn't get him. What a throw by McGuire. Valdez has 3, the next closest. As a breaking ball dances over the 0-1. And that's shot the opposite way to McGuire. Right at him as a bit of a jump there at the end. That ends the 4th inning. No runs, 2 hits, 1 man left. Bottom 4 next year, no score on the land. The lefty digs in. First pitch he takes outside with a changeup. Chang sets and the 1-0. And that's smacked to deep right field. Towards the foul pole, it's hooking and it's fair and gone. Home run, Brett Callahan to break this scoreless stalemate. It's a big fly. 1-0 Lakeland in the 5th inning. His 7th bomb of the year. Out. Righty Samuel Heel takes the breaking ball up and away for ball 1. Comes set and kicks home 1-0. Fastball pushed foul off the right side out of play. It's 1-1. Now it's Teal. 1-1 as a fastball clips the inside corner call and single from John Peck. 1-2. Breaking ball check swing on the peel. He held up to Tyler Vanderwall last 3 starts. 2-2. Just narrowly misses inside of 93. Just 1 though, it's nothing more than that. 3-2. Breaking ball, a high chopper off home plate to third. Forrester from the edge of the grass throws on the run and across his body. And they get hands Clearwater. Pitch is fouled straight back. Years ago. The 0-1. Breaking ball lifted in the air. Shallow right field. Long race in for McGuire as he calls off as Maryland Valdez, who hits the deck. 2 gone. Prospect in their order. Alvaro Gonzalez cranks this one to deep right field, looking towards the foul pole, but it is foul. Would have been the 2nd home run this half inning. As Broaders fans who have seen Clausen this year, they know. 0-1's down and in for a ball. It's 1-1 during the year. As the 1-1's on the ground at first. 1-2. And this one's in play. The first backhanded by Valdez. Flip to the covering Chang, and that's the half inning. A home run, though, by Brett Callahan. We're halfway home. 1-0 Lakeland. Facing 9-1-2 as David Smith, the switch hitter, waves and misses at a first pitch. Forrester. 0-1, and Smith chops her right back to the mound. Chang outstretches his glove, now runs to first, underhand flip, 1 gone. 0-1, and a breaking ball outside for ball 1. A 1-1, and that's down low, 2-0, and that's punched in the air, left center, base knock. As Peck has his 2nd single today. First pitch the righty, Johnson, runner in motion, back picked out of the dirt, throw to second base, they still got him. No problem for Axial Plus. And the pitch, Dom Johnson checks a swing, and it looked like he offered at it, he did. 1-1, and a breaking ball, top of the zone, called 2 strikes on him. 1-2, swinging a pop-up, right side. Valdez backpedals on the outfield grass now, and he makes the grab with 2 hands. That's the 6th inning. Hong Lung Chang, he's through 6, through 5.5, 1-1 tie game.